In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Microsoft 365 profile photo. Your profile picture shows up in Outlook, Teams, and across Microsoft 365. So updating it helps colleagues recognize you and keeps your account looking professional. We'll walk through the process in your web browser and I'll share a few quick tips along the way. Start by going to your Microsoft 365 account at office.com or your normal Microsoft 365 portal. If you're prompted to sign in, use your work or school account and complete any multi-factor prompts. Once you're on the Microsoft 365 homepage, look to the top right corner. Click your current profile photo or your initials if you haven't set a picture yet. That opens a small menu with account options. Choose View Account to open your account dashboard. This is where your personal info, security settings, and profile photo are managed. On the account page, find the profile section and select the pencil icon or the edit option on your picture. That opens the photo editor. Click Upload, then select a photo from your device. For the best result, pick a clear, well-lit image of your face. A square or close to square photo works well, and common formats like JPG or PNG are supported. Avoid very large files or busy backgrounds. After you select the image, you'll see a preview. Drag to reposition and use the built-in crop tools so your face is centered and not cut off. When you're happy with the preview, click Save. Your new photo is applied to your Microsoft 365 profile. It may take a few minutes to appear everywhere. Outlook on the web, Teams, SharePoint, and mobile apps cache images. So give it a little time. If you don't see the change right away, refresh the page or check again later. A few helpful notes: if the upload button is disabled or you don't see the option to edit your photo, your organization may manage profile pictures centrally. In that case, reach out to your IT administrator. If you use more than one Microsoft account in the same browser, make sure you're updating the correct one by checking the account name on the top of the page. And if the image looks blurry, try a higher resolution photo and recrop it within the editor. And that's it. Open your Microsoft 365 account, click your profile, go to View Account, edit with the pencil icon, upload from your device, and save. Thanks for watching and enjoy your refreshed profile across Microsoft 365.